Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful way to make your presentations stand out by adding voice recordings to Google Slides. Whether you're a teacher explaining a lesson or a marketer pitching an idea, this guide will make your slides more engaging and dynamic. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some tips to make your audio fit perfectly with your presentation. Access Google Slides first, open your web browser, and head over to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your existing files or create a new presentation. Create a new presentation on the home page, click on the blank presentation option. This gives you a fresh canvas to start working with. Insert audio. Now comes the fun part. From the top menu, click on Insert and then select Audio from the drop-down menu. This will open a window where you can either upload an audio file or choose one already stored in your Google Drive. Pro tip: if you haven't recorded your voice yet, use any audio recording tool. Save the file to your Google Drive and it'll be ready to insert. Place and resize the audio icon. Once your audio is inserted, you'll see a small icon on your slide. Don't worry, it's fully movable. Drag it to a spot that doesn't distract from your content and resize it if needed. You want it accessible but unobtrusive. Test and refine audio. Click on the audio icon to reveal playback controls and press play to make sure everything sounds clear. This is your chance to make sure the audio syncs perfectly with your slide content. Fine-tune with format options. For extra control, open the Format Options panel on the right. Here you can adjust the volume, choose whether the audio plays automatically or on click, and even loop it if needed. These tweaks ensure your presentation works flawlessly, whether it's in a classroom, a meeting, or online. And that's it. You've successfully added voice recordings to Google Slides, making your presentations more engaging and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!